Oh no, there's gonna be no editing.
Oh my
What are we supposed to
God.
yell?
Surprise!
I've lost the ability to speak. I'm just.
Well, it's 9:30 at night.
We're gonna need you to speak.
Oh my God. You guys, I don't even know what to say. This is the most amazing thing in the entire world. You guys have just.
Well, please walk in to the bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom.
There's still more, Ray. But yet there's more.
Hey, you're hip, sister. You get down.
We're running.
Oh man, my back hurts so bad.
You guys are just.
This is the closest I've come to sitting down all day.
Amazing.
I'm gonna hang out.
We got some good people, Ray. I'll tell you what.
Like Ty Pennington was here,
I
huh?
know. I'm lucky I'm off next week.
You're off this week.
Wow. That's great.
Isn't that great? Nancy right there with the short curly hair.